Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been like a little minute, I'm sorry, but I got a tutorial for y'all. We are doing a braid out with Permrod. So I just sprayed the end of my hair first, kind of separated it, and we're gonna start the combing out part. So we're just gonna comb that out and get it all detangled. I'm going to be using Curls products. The first one is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner, and the second one is the Curl Control Jelly. So I'm going to apply a small amount of the conditioner on my hair because I don't need a lot of product to weigh my hair down. So I'm going to start braiding my hair like so, and I braided my hair tight to make sure the curls are very defined. So now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and comb the end of my braid and then add the curl control jelly. This just makes for a good braid out without a whole bunch of frizz on your ends. So now I'm just going to add the Permrod to my hair, and I made sure that I twisted it in a way that when I take my braid out, that my hair would fall forward. So now that my hair is all done, I let it air dry, and I'm just gonna gently remove the perm rods without messing up the curls. A little disclaimer, my hair wasn't wet with water. I did this on pretty much dry hair, but the product had to dry in my hair. So that's what I mean when I say I let my hair air dry. So now I'm just gonna start unraveling my braids, and honestly I just used a little hair oil, and I gently take my braids out so I don't mess up the curl pattern or cause any unnecessary frizz. So now that my braids are all taken down, my hair is super curly and bouncy, and it feels really, really lightweight. So those two products that I use to do this style are really great. And also, I want to get to the point where I am comfortable with fluffing my hair, but I feel like when I fluff my hair and try to make it bigger, it gets super frizzy for some reason. I don't know. I'm just gonna like really work at that and practice that more. So I hope y'all really enjoyed this tutorial. I also added a clip in of me pulling the back of my hair up into a little ponytail, and it just made for a really cute updo. And I added some clips to it as well, so if you keep watching the video, you'll see that. So if you really enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.